definitely my kind of person here today with a little bit of a problem. So these are the best headphones I've ever had, but it's not working anymore. Like I said, these here I got back in March of 2021. It is May of 2025. So over 4 years, these things lasted. It's just the left one that starts to go intermittent, but there's no way to get it to. It's not like the old headphones where you can wiggle the cord. These, by the way, are the BT-BH020 headphones. So unfortunately, I had to get a new pair. That's where these come in. This is the Anker Soundcore P20i headphones. Bought it on Amazon. It came later that day. As a matter of fact, if you want, it's the ASIN right there if you're going to search for it. So these ones here, they have the microphone on each side, of course, 10-hour playtime, 30 hours with the charge case supposedly, and it says IPX5 waterproof. So I still don't know. I'm still confused. Is that like I can just walk in the rain, or can I take these when I'm scuba diving? Nobody would do that. But so first thing I'm doing is open the box and take everything out and see what we got. Then I'm put it on the charger. While it's charging, I will try to show you. We will figure out how to use this app together, because that's the most exciting part about this here for me. Is it comes with an app with 22 preset equalizer bands. That means you could hit bass when I'm listening to Key Glock, or I could hit metal when I'm listening to Kill Switch Engage or Parkway Drive. And then when I go to Post Malone, I hit the country button. That should be all it is, but 22 different ones is a lot, so we're going to have to see if that makes any difference. And then after that, we'll do a quick little sound test, and I'll be able to tell you if these are decent headphones or not. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, well, my tripod is broken there and there, so I'm just going to do this by hand. Let's see. So we have, of course, the user manual. We have, again, the world's tiniest USB-C charge cable, which is useless. Oh, that's underneath the microwave. Ooh, the charge case has the little lanyard. I like that. So I thought the lanyard went on your wrist, unless it's for anorexic people, because I can't get on I could get it stuck on my hands. I already did that once, but what am I supposed to do with that? Where do I put it? And, I mean, it's pretty nice, lightweight. This is something I could probably put in my pocket and forget about, like I did the Boltunes. Take this off. Let's just take a look at it before I charge it. Case opens quite easily. That might become an issue at some point. Ooh, what is? Oh, that's for the microphone. It's protecting. Oh no, that's the charge for the charger. Okay. Well, there you go. I mean, these are nice looking headphones. So I'm going to go ahead and use a real USB-C charger to charge them up. Oh, baby. Okay, so somewhere in here is a bunch of little tips for them. Powering on and pairing, that there should be easy enough. I'll show you how to do it in a minute. Touch control. Those are buttons, I guess, or sensors on the side of each headphone. So this one here, I mean, you could just tap or touch or hold your headphone to go through them to do voice assistant, pull up Google. So. Okay, so let's download the app, go to Play Store, go to search, and type in, supposedly it should be Soundcore. There you go, that's pretty straightforward. So hit install, wait for it to install. Why is this suggested for me stuff? What on earth? No, that's so irrelevant. Hit open, let's check out the app. You have to hit agree and continue. It's kind of lame. Okay, give me a minute. There, okay, log in successful. Add device. I can't do that until it's done charging, so we'll come back to this in a few. The user manual wasn't clear enough for that. So it's not when there's no light, it's when the light is constantly on and not flashing that it's 100% done. So let's go ahead and connect these to my phone. So I'm going to open it and just take them out and put them here on the side. And let's go. Okay, so we'll go down, go hold Bluetooth like that. We're going to go to pair new device. That is not the right device, the Govee, so we're going to wait for this to pop up. There you go. Okay, that's it. You got to remove the tabs and put them in there for a second and close the lid and then open it and take them out. Yes, and then hit pair. So now that's paired. 90% battery. You just said 100. Okay, so we'll get out of that and go to the Soundcore app. Soundcore. Add device. Yes. It should find them. There you go. So tap it. Now keep in mind, you don't have to do this to use them with your phone. I'm just installed the app and going through these steps because I want to check out this. I mean, that's pretty good. I listen to most of this, so that's good. Spoken word, that'll be interesting. I'll probably have to use that one to produce the video you're watching right now. Oh yeah, it's got the bass up. Bass reducer, why would anybody want less bass? I'll just leave it at the default for right now. So, now if I go to like YouTube Music, I'm going to put these in my ear for a sec. Yeah, I just thought of it, the microphone's actually probably going through them right now. So, try it like this now.
With all the magic, with 10 chains. Even back then it was calling me 10 chains. If it's on the floor, nigga, it's the 5 times. So I threw it 50,000 at all.
So we'll have to see how that turns out, but I like it overall. I mean, that is good quality. So I put this on deep, and it sounds amazing.
They still trying to figure out who I am, who I be. Pillow talking to these hoes, that shit weak. They say money talk, but so my verdict is yes. The Anker Soundcore P20i's are a valid replacement for my good old Boltune headphones, which I will still probably find some kind of use for. But yes, I like these. They're smaller, the case is slimmer, it should last about as long, if not longer, and that app does make a huge difference. Like I said, throw that deep EQ setting on there, go listen to some rap and some metal, and wow, that fills in nicely. So, thank you for watching. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and keep watching my gaming channel. I'll be having a lot of content drop on that one soon, because I am pushing games to Steam.